Hello dear friends, how are you? I'm glad to meet you today with this video. Today I'm going to talk about ask with boldness. Ask with boldness. You know, boldness is important in asking. Even in prayer, we have to have boldness. With boldness, we should ask our Heavenly Father. Whatever we want, we should ask Him boldly. You know, Jesus has explained the prayer with boldness with a very simple example. It's explained in Luke chapter 11. There were two friends, okay? One of the friend going to the other friend in the midnight and knocking his door and asking for a bread, a food, because his other friend has come from a long way to his home and he do not have any bread to set before him. So he is going to this friend and asking him in the midnight, knocking his door. But that friend replied him, my door is locked, my children are sleeping, I cannot get up and give you any bread. But at later, he get up and give the bread to him. And Jesus said, not because he is a friend, he gave the bread to him, but because of his boldness, he gets up and give him as much as he need. Because of his boldness in asking, his friend is giving him as much as he need. This is the same attitude we should have when we go to God, when we go and ask Him in prayer for anything. Most of the people, we think ourselves that we are not qualified to ask, we are not supposed to ask, we are not going to get what we are going to ask. What we are asking is too much. This is all our thinking, but it is us who has to go with boldness and ask to God whatever we want. That is important. Some people want a job, a better job, a good job with good salary. Some people want a child. Some people need to get married because they're not yet married. So in time they stop asking because they think it's not going to happen. They think it's not that they are not qualified to ask it. But my dear friend, don't think that because you are not constant with God, and you're not constant with God in fellowship, in reading Bible, in prayer, so that you cannot ask because you're not qualified. No, even though you're not qualified in a sense, but still God is going to give because of your boldness. Ask Him boldly whatever you want, whatever the job or whatever the financial need or even the spiritual need, that even you need to get well in your spirit so that you will be qualified to go to God when He's coming in the second coming. Whatever the need, the spiritual need, the bodily need, the financial need, whatever it is, God is going to give if you ask Him boldly. In Luke chapter 11 verse 8, this verse is written, because of his boldness he will get up and give him as much as he need. And Luke chapter 11 verse 9, it says that ask and keep on asking, seek and keep on seeking, knock and keep on knocking. You will receive, you will find, and the door will be open for you. And that is the message today I wanted to tell you. And God bless you. Keep asking Him boldly. Thank you.